Welcome to Starlight Family Adventures. Today we're going to the Harry Potter studio tour.
Yes, welcome back to Starlight Family Adventures. We take you on fun, exciting trips around the UK and beyond. This is going to be a sit back and relax POV video, allowing you to make up your own mind if you want to go to the studio, or perhaps you haven't been for many years and you want to see what it's like now. The only one piece of advice I will give is book as early as possible, as it does always sell out.
Amazing, let's give our helpers a round of applause, everyone. And yes, this is the Great Hall of Hogwarts. It was one of the first sets ever built for filming production and one of the largest. And it stood for over 10 years on a soundstage just over there, actually. Now I know how tempting it is to stop in those doorways, but please do continue to make your way into the Great Hall, because once everyone is in, we can get those doors shut, as they make for an amazing photograph once they are closed. Now, as you're making your way in, you may also notice that the Great Hall is dressed and ready for filming the iconic scene from Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. It is the scene where we have seen the iconic Christmas feast. Now you can see that we have decorated the hall with the Christmas trees and the garlands on every panel. Now these garlands are the same exact garlands used for production filming, just with a bit of fresh ivy added for you to see here today. Now we do also have the amazing Christmas decorations on the trees, and these were designed by our art department, but they were then made by a very talented props team, and then finally the set was dressed by our set dressers. And then after this, the production team and the special effects department, led by John Richardson, can come in and add those malevolent fairies that you see circling.
The room in the Leaky Cauldron. This is where he stayed when he went to the Leaky Cauldron, didn't he? And what's under his bed? Can you remember? What's he dropping his shoe down for?
The book.
The Book of Monsters. Like many Harry Potter fans.
What's this button do, Dotty?
Did you press it?
Short, and pink. So simple for, I know, like Sirius's for Bumble. Yeah, but they're so good at yeah, Ginny's is really good. Even like the Monsters into the Malfoys. They look way dingier than all the other ones. Yeah, so it's
Very Slytherin Christmas. The Slytherin common room is only ever seen on screen during the festive season.
They changed to different people. So Malfoy,
Yeah.
the little person, he told them, and then what?
Yeah.
Filmmaking, the Gryffindor crest, right?
Oh, what? And then you get the
Oh,
stamp.
damn, you've got a photograph on itself, right? Give it that. Hang on
that's
a
cool.
second. That's it, push it down really hard. That's it.
Got your star, it's embossed. Cool. What's in there?
All of Dumbledore's memories.
Do you see any? Hello, Dotty.
Just for our Hogwarts in the Snow feature, we have recreated an iconic scene from the Philosopher's Stone, where you see Hagrid pulling an enormous tree through the Hogwarts grounds, ready to be adorned with decorations in the Great Hall.
Dry up, Dursley, you great
I might be stand right next to you. And I'll have one. I'll definitely have one on it. Because I'll then make it with
Whoa, what have you found?
Oh my God.
the next one.
Who's that?
Buckbeak.
Welcome to Starlight Family Adventures.
Like and subscribe, right? There's loads of spiders on. So I give it. Where are we now? Ah, there we go. Look, Dotty. You okay? I didn't even realise you were there.
Go in there. She did want to queue up for the train, but she wants to do this instead.
Yeah.
Daddy, don't do it with us.
Do you want me to?
Just walk around.
Oh, okay. I'll just walk around. Yeah.
This is Skelly Grove.
Oh, what's that do?
Grows your bones back.
Oh, nice.
Sticky trainers, they are. Weasley's.
Oh, what's all them?
That's from the Weasley Stroke Shop.
Babe, you just know everything, don't you, about Harry Potter? Very good. You're on the night bus, mate. Look at that.
Where's Mummy? Mummy!
Queue to get to Harry's house.
There's a miniature version of the burrow, look. It's got a little bath out the front.
What is it?
Tiny little paw.
Ah. Nice.
It says,
The Burrow miniature. This exterior of the Weasley family home is a replica. It's when they wanted to do outside shots.
"Can I pretend?"
It's been snowing outside Privet Drive. Yeah. In we go. In we go. God, this house is busy today, isn't it?
Oh my god,
Oh.
arms just blown up in there, Betty.
What's happened? Oh. Oh dear.
Yeah.
Their costumes. Wow.
Harry Potter.
Nice in here. Like a normal greenhouse. Oh.
Yay! Good job, Dee.
My hand. Ready? Go!
Whoa.
Whoa. You're going in Ron's car?
There's a long queue.
You want to wait for the car? What's this? Tell me using Harry Potter.
This one looks like.
Oh, that's tea.
Oh. I like this book. It's very cool.
That's how they make them. Look, that's
Warwick Davis.
Warwick Davis, that's his face, and they've sculpted him like that, so they put this on there so that they can make a mask that fits his face perfectly. Special makeup that they use.
Warwick Davis played both of these people. Oh, he played all of them. Oh yes, that's it. Let's get down to the dungeons. Go down there, Dottie.
217, I think, is Hogwarts.
Tons and tons of treasure.
Although you put your phone there, babe, and it fits the picture with all the cups. So
Diagon Alley is the next stamp, what it said on the map. So I think. Follow me.
Well, you know your way around this place.
Here, please.
Over here, what's this? It's a nice ice cream shop, looks nice. Oh look, loves an owl shop.
Really dusty, and we weren't allowed to go in there, but we have actually seen them up now. So I think they did it when they put the snow down.
would you eat one of them ice creams? No?
No.
See what that lady said, all of those pieces all get made by hand, every single thing in that shop.
Well, it's on a pole.
That's
And
crazy.
then it goes like this down.
That's right.
What is it, Dottie? It's Hogwarts and it's snowing. Hey, you burn your hands touching that, Dottie.
And look, see?
Wait, careful! Crazy.
There's the one shop.
Oh, wow. Where's my one?
Jack Candy Cane.
Why did it have the
Ricky
first
Hubbucks.
people? These are the first people. Got it.
Susan Humphrey.
Oh, look.
That's my aunt.
Gary Oldman.
David. It's the shop time.
It's the shop time, isn't
Oh
it?
no, let's just go. Let's skip this bit. No, let's just go home. We don't need this bit. Oh.
Can we get it, Pan?
Gosh, this is massive, this shop, isn't it? Oh,
Here.
have a little Harry.
You remember who Nicholas Flamel is?
Yeah.
Can you?
Yeah.
He made the Philosopher's Stone. Pure Harry Potter knowledge.
Oh look, babe, you can actually get the big old leather trunks now. It's cool, isn't it?
I did want this from the...
Look.
Oh,
There's a bunch of Hagrids here. Look at him.
look. Well, who's this from?
He's from Fantastic Beasts. And where to find them. So
Why
he's
look?
the
Look
little
at
green...
Big Pet.
Aww.
Sassy Wolf. Tilly can have her own Gryffindor lead and coat. Bitty Pops.
No.
Yeah.
No, absolutely not, baby.
What's just those little trunks? You gonna put it on? Oh.
Look at Daddy.
I think Gryffindor. Oh, it's got jewellery. Nice jewellery. Just white chocolate frogs.
That's a tenner.
I want these two.
Dark
That's
chocolate
what you want to
frog.
get, is it? You don't want the scarf? You want the scarf as well? That's putty. It's nearly £20.
Yeah, get rid of the putty.
Right. That is very expensive. That's white chocolate, you know.
There's a bag for everything you can think. All the sweet brands have got their own bags and things as well.
Right. And they find the... Oh, here. Yeah, this one?
Yeah,
Got a scarf. This is what she's got.
oh, lovely.
£18.
Frog Cafe.
Cakes.
The frog is cool. They look good dots. What are you going to have?
The blue one.
Well, they're cake pops.
Blue cake.
You love a cake pop, don't you? Not one for multitasking, I am unable to video and handle cake pops at the same time. So we're going to leave it there, check out the other videos, get some great ideas and fun things to do, and catch you next time. Thanks for watching.
Mighty Lord, dreams like